7, 6, swing the knees, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the foot, bend forward or arm stretch, bend forward. If your chin and chest touches the mat, arms shoulder level, bend forward. Butterfly, bend forward. Asha, bend forward mat karna. Just आराम से बस हल्का सा आगे करिए. Yeah, bend forward all of you. Stay there. Stay. 10. Walk with your fingertips. Asha, otherwise relax. Yeah. 9. 8. रितिका आप थोड़ा सा पैर आगे लीजिए. टेक द फुट फॉरवर्ड रितिका. 7. मूव फॉरवर्ड. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, और आगे लीजिए रितिका, और आगे लीजिए. यू हैव टू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड ओनली, देन ओनली दैट विल हैपन. या 7. 6. या मेंटेन देयर. नाइस. निधि, आर्म शोल्डर लेवल फॉर यू. 5. chin on the mat, Bhushan. 4. Maintain. Stay. 3. Arms more stretch, Madhusmita. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Shake the leg. Yeah. Come. Cat and cow, all of you. Shoulder and wrist align. Hip and knee align. Spread the finger nicely. Cat and cow. Shoulder and wrist align. Cat and cow. Come. Breathe in. Look up. Keep charging your tailbone up. Chin up, spine in. Stretch the neck. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Chin to the collarbone. Breathe in. Look up. Lower back in. Tailbone up. Stretch the neck. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Chin to the collarbone. Breathe in. Look up. Lower back in. Tailbone up. Stretch the neck. Look ceiling. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Hunch it nicely. Harsha, slightly take both the palms one step back side. Breathe in. Look up. Lower back in. Tailbone up. Stretch the neck. Look ceiling. Look ceiling. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Chin to the collarbone. Shoulder blade more up. Nice, Malini. Breathe in. Look up. Lower back in. Tailbone up. Stretch the neck. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Chin to the collarbone. One more. Breathe in. Look up. Lower back in. Tailbone up. Stretch the neck. Breathe out. Hunch your back. Chin to the collarbone. Yeah. दोनों हाथों को आगे extend करो. Try to drop the chin. More comfortable your chest. Stay there. Keep pressing the chest on the mat. Stay there. Elbow straight. Comfortable. Your thumb together. Stay. Nice. Beautiful. Hips पीछे. Ritika, hips पीछे. Ritika, hips पीछे. Very nice, Nidhi. Bhushan, pump the chest down. Pump the chest down. Raise the chest and then chest down. Yeah. Stay there. Stay. 10. Nice. 9. Keep pressing the chest on the mat. Nice, Ashima. 8. Pump the chest, Ruchi, now. 7. Harsha, thoda sa aage hips lena so that you are able to touch the chest. 7. Slightly your hips forward. Harsha. 6. 5. Stay. 4. Stay. 3. Maintain. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Cat pose. Hunch your back. Hunch it. Stay there. 5. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Parvatasana. Heels nicely up and down. Keep a cushion beside you. Yeah. Keep a cushion beside you, all of you. Bhushan, this cushion and the pad for you. Parvatasana. Heels up and down. Yeah. Right leg outside your right palm. Focus to take the left leg up and down. 10. 9. 8. 7. Harsha, right foot forward. 6. Harsha, right foot forward. 5. और आगे लीजिए, और आगे लीजिए. 5. 4. 3. 2. Continue. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Change. Parvatasana. Heels up and down. Left leg outside your left palm. Yeah, left leg outside your left palm. Focus to take the right leg up and down. 10. Left foot forward, Pallavi. 9. 8. 7. 6. Nicely up and down. 5. 4. 3. 2. Continue. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Parvatasana. Heels up and down. Now right leg in between your palms, all of you. Yeah, right leg in between your palms. Use a cushion under the left knee. Use a cushion, left knee. Arms ko loose chodo, arms up or hands on the waist. You have to shift the body weight towards your front foot. Stay there. Right foot forward, Ashima. Ashima, right foot forward. Hips more down, Sangeeta. Right foot forward, Ruchi. Don't take the shoulder towards the knee. Your shoulder and hip should be in one line. Right foot piche, Neelam. Neelam, right foot backside, yeah. Right foot backside, Neelam. Stay there. Stay. 10, maintain. Hips more down, Pallavi. 9, 8, knee on the mat, Ritika. 7, use a cushion. 6, 5, hips more down, all of you. 4, 3, straight shoe, maintain. 5, hold. 4, stay. 4, 3, straight shoe, and 1. Come, center, change. Parvatasana, heels nicely up and down. Left leg in between your palms, right knee on the cushion. Don't take the shoulder towards the knee. Your shoulder and hip should be in one line. Front leg 90 degree. Use a cushion under the knee. Stay there, maintain there. Stay. 10, hips more down. नीलम थोड़ा राइट लेग पीछे लीजिए, लेफ्ट लेग सॉरी थोड़ा सा पीछे लीजिए, या थोड़ा सा पीछे. 9 वो स्लिप हो जाता है ना आपका, इसलिए थोड़ा पीछे लीजिए. 8, hips more down. 15 count से all of you. 8, 7, 6, hips more down, Harsha. 5, hips down, Ruchi. 4, Sangeeta, hips down. 3, Ashima, hips down. Stay, shoe, maintain. Stay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come, center, relax. Parvatasana, heels nicely up and down. Walk your hands towards your legs. Slowly come up. Yeah. ताड़ासन करेंगे. 4 fingers gap or no gap. Ritika, वो पीछे वाला लाइट स्विच ऑफ करो एंड थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन, टेक द स्क्रीन स्लाइटली बैक साइड. नॉट एबल टू सी द अपर बॉडी. या slightly your, this is better. From the side, all of you. Yeah, Tadasan. Interlock the fingers. Lift the heels higher on your toes. Suck your belly. Nabhi ko andar khicho. Anal muscle tight. Contract the anal muscle. Stay. 10. Very nice. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come, center, drop the heels down. Hold the opposite elbow and start. Padhastasana, rolling all of you. Yeah. Warm up your hamstrings. Stay there. 10, continue. 9, more down, Ruchi. 8, 7, 6, legs more active, Bhushan. 5, 4, Ritika, lean the body weight forward. 4, 3, continue all of you. 6, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, continue. 5, 4, very nice, Anna. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come, center, relax. Again, Tadasan, from the side, breathe in, interlock your fingers. Lift your heels higher on your toes. Suck your belly, stay there. Stay. 10, keep lifting the heels higher, anal muscle tight. Nabhi under, all of you. 9, pull the belly in. 8, maintain. 7, 6, stay. 5, 4, 3, stay. 2, and 1. Interlock the fingers backside, bend forward and stay there. Interlock the fingers, bend forward and stay there. Hold. Lean the body weight forward, stay there. Legs active, stay. 10, head towards the knee, all of you. 4, head towards the knee or shin bone. 9, wrist move forward. 8, Ashima, wrist forward. 7, nice, Malini, try to touch. 7, 6, stay. 5, stay. 4, stay. 3, stay. 2, maintain. and one. Come, center, relax. Active your spinal cord, shoulder level gap, and active your spinal cord. Active your spinal cord, twisting all of you. Start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Look back, look back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Side bending karenge, shoulder level gap. All the 10 toes facing the camera. All the 10 toes facing the camera. Chalo, arms. No lateral movement of your toes. Okay? Sara, all the 10 toes is facing the camera. Don't keep your toes like this. Okay? Sare 10 toes facing. And don't take the hips out. Chalo. Arm, shoulder level, breathe in. Breathe out, right side bend towards the right side. Bend only from your upper body. Nice, very nice. Nice, Pallavi. Nice, Ahana. Come, center, don't tilt the hip. Breathe in, breathe out. Left side, left side, left side. Nice. More down, nice, Nidhi. Come, center, breathe in. Breathe out. Right side, right side. Yeah, right side. Hip. Don't tilt the hip. Right hip forward, Madhusmita. Right hip forward. हाँ, like that. Come, center, breathe in. आशिमा थोड़ा सा और गैप दीजिए आप. Breathe out. Left side. Left side. Don't tilt the hip right and left side. Hip will remain center. So you might be tilting the hip back and forward. Don't do that. Come, center, breathe in and don't shift the body weight towards one foot only. Breathe out. Right side, right side. More down, more down. नीचे वाला हाथ को लूज छोड़ो, Bhushan, more. More, Ritika. Come, center, breathe in. Breathe out. Left side. Left side. More down. Nice, Ahana. Neelam, shift the body weight towards the left foot. Yeah, come like that. Come. Center, breathe in. Breathe out. Right side and hold now. Stay there. Don't tilt the hip. Don't tilt the hip. Equal weight on both the foot. Stay there. Stay. 6. Maintain there. Stay. 5. Stay. 4. Nice, Asha. Charaj. 4. 3. Shift the body weight towards the right foot, Ruchi. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Breathe in. Nice. Breathe out. Left side and hold. आप सिर्फ upper body से ही tilt कर रहे हो. You are using only the upper body. Yeah, stay there. Stay. Stay. 10. 9. नीचे वाला हाथ को बिल्कुल लूज छोड़ो. 8. Madhusmita, more down. 7. I shift the body weight towards the left foot, Ruchi. 7. 6. More shift, Ruchi. 5. Stay. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Come, center, relax. Kamar pe haath and make a big circle. Hip rotation, all of you. Start. 10. Make a big circle. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Reverse. 10. 9. 8. Make a big circle. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Come. Center. 3 feet gap. Right foot facing right. Left facing left. Harsha, slightly your screen up. Harsha, slightly your screen up. Yeah. Right and left. Ashima, slightly bend the knee first. Bend the knee. I'll just check. Yeah. Reduce the gap. Yeah. Both hands up. Breathe in. Asha, do the chair pose. I'll keep the timer for you, Asha. Breathe out. Bend your knees. Yeah, bend your knees. Arm shoulder level or join the palm. Namaste. Again, breathe in. Up. Asha, मैंने time लगाया, आप hold करना. Breathe out. Down. Very nice. Breathe in. Up. Pallavi, slightly reduce the gap. Breathe out. Down. Harsha, more gap. Once you come up, then more gap. Breathe in. Up. Ritika, slightly more gap. Breathe out. Down. Harsha, और gap दीजिए, और gap दीजिए. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Down. डाउन डाउन डाउन, थोड़ा होल्ड करो वहां पे व्हेन यू गो डाउन. ब्रीद इन अप, ब्रीद आउट डाउन, breathe in up, breathe out down. Try to keep the spine straight. Breathe in up. Asha, hold. We'll hold now, all of you. Breathe out down and hold now. Only if you're comfortable, raise the heels up. You come on your toes. If you can balance, if you're comfortable, stay there. Stay. 6. Otherwise, maintain there. 5, 4. More heels up. 3. Hands on the waist, Pallavi. Straight shoe. Nice position. And 1. Asha, you can also come. Come. Center. Relax. Shake the leg. Yeah, shake the leg, all of you. Either take a 3 feet gap, or more gap, 3.5 feet gap. If you have a stiff hamstring, you have to take more gap. Trying to touch the crown on the mat. Your palm position, yahan se piche lena. Okay, and then bend the elbow like a chaturanga. See, bending the elbow like a chaturanga. Like here, पीछे आगे रहेगा ना, हाथों को पीछे लेके जाना. ठीक है, चलो. Come. 3 or 3.5 feet gap. If you have a stiff hamstring, you have to take slightly more gap. Hands on the waist, or sorry, toes inside, heels apart. Toes inside, heels apart. Yeah. Hands on the waist. Yeah. Breathe in. Go down. Now drop the palm on the mat. Again, you have to look forward. Breathe in, look forward, lengthen the spine. Now breathe out your crown towards the mat. And bend the elbow, take the palms backside, all of you, slightly towards the heel, like a chaturanga. Now use your slightly palm, your arm strength to take the crown towards the mat, head in between the legs, stay there. Madhusmita, you can reduce the gap. You have got a good hamstring flexibility, reduce the gap. Stay. 10. Yeah, nice Bhushan. 9. Palms ke beech mein thoda sa gap do, Harsha. 8. Nice Malini. 7. Elbow inside Pallavi. 7. 6. Elbow inside Nidhi. 5. Stay. 4. Maintain. Stay. 3. Nice Anu. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Hands on the waist. Dheere se aana. Hands on the waist. And relax. Shake the leg. Yeah. Shake the leg, all of you. Parsavuttanasana. Yeah. Parsavuttanasana. Your toes on, if you have a block, toes on the block, heel on the mat, hip square. If you don't have a block, do without block. रितिका ब्लॉक नहीं है ना, आप टोज को अप करना. ओके, ऑल द 5 toes up, कीप प्रेसिंग द बॉल ऑफ द टोज. ठीक है, फॉर यू. बैक फुट इनसाइड, बैक फुट 45 degree, all of you, very important. Back foot 45 degree, hip square, shoulder in one line. Hands on the waist. Bhushan, slightly more gap. Malini, slightly more gap. Hands on the waist. Sangeeta, more gap. Just a minute. Anu, slightly more gap. Neelam, slightly more gap. Harsha, more gap. Sangeeta, more gap. Madhusmita, more gap. Ashima, more gap. Yeah. Hands on the waist, breathe in. Now breathe out, bend forward, full bend forward. Drop the palms on the block, on the mat. If your palms have touched the mat, fingertips have touched the mat, then walk your hands backside. Finger pointing backside, then walk. Stay there. Stay. 10, maintain there. Yeah. 9. Walk with your fingertips, Ruchi. 8. Lag gaya na palms mat pe. 7. Nice. 6. Very nice, Nidhi. 5. Left foot more inside, Ritika. Left foot more inside. 6, 5. 4. Maintain. Nice, Ahana. Stay. 3. Maintain. Nice, all of you. Stay. 2. Maintain, 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 maintain. Stay. 5. Stay. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. Nice, Pallavi. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Change the side. Change the side. Left toe on the block. Heel on the mat. Hip square. Hands on the waist. Hip square, all of you. Back foot 45 degree. Ritika, back foot 45 degree. Yeah. Harsha, more gap. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bend forward and stay there. 15 counts, all of you. Stay there. Walk with your fingertips. If your palm has reached the mat, stay there. Stay. 10. Maintain. Toes on the block. 9. चिन को लगाओ, पल्लवी. जिनका फोरहेड लग रहा है ना, चिन को लगाने की कोशिश करो, नीज पे या शी बोन पे. 8. 7, एनल मसल को टाइट करो रितिका, 6, 5, stay 4, maintain there, 4, stay 3, stay 2, and 1, come center, relax. Shake the hand, shake the leg, 4 feet gap. Asha, you can avoid this one. Or if you're comfortable, you can do 4 feet gap. Skandanasana, all of you. Comfortable, Asha? Drop both the palms in front. Breathe in. Squat towards your right side. Arm stretch, head down, left big toe facing the ceiling. Yeah. Now, if you are comfortable, you will raise the arms up, then try your leg strength to come up. Now, come center, full come up. Then squat, left side, use the leg strength. Try to use the leg strength, then go then, left side. Yeah. Then you can drop the palms, stretch the arms forward. Yeah. जब आ रहे हो तो आर्म्स को ऊपर करके try to use the leg strength to come up. Again, come center, use the leg strength to come up, fully come up first. Yeah, full come up, Bhushan spine straight, then left side, full come up. Yeah, then left, right side, sorry. Yeah, right side, left big toe facing the ceiling. Nice, Anu. अब arms को stretch करो. Yeah. Or join the palm namaste or arm shoulder level. Again, slowly come up. Use the leg strength to come up. Full up, all of you. Then left side, right big toe facing the ceiling. Now you can stretch the arms on the mat. Yeah. हर्षा पैर और खोलना जब आप सेंटर में आओगे अभी. Again, come center. Harsha, open the legs. You can keep the palms on the mat, Harsha, for you. Right side. आप हाथ रखो. नहीं खुला है ना आपका, वो नहीं खुला है, स्टिफ है इनर थाई वाला. Come center. If you are using the leg strength, full come up. Left side, right big toe facing the ceiling. Use the leg strength, Madhusmita. One more, come center, right side and hold now. Stay there, stay. Yeah. Stay 6, maintain. Stay 5, 4, 3, stay 2, and 1. Come center, left side and hold now. Stay there. Left side, right big toe facing the ceiling. Stay 5. हाथों को नीचे रखो रितिका. 4. Nice पल्लवी, अच्छा रहा. 4, 3. Very nice Madhusmita. Stay 2 and 1. Come center, relax. Fix the cushion now. Parvatasana, heels nicely up and down. Fix the cushion. Cushion and knee pad for you. Bhushan. Yeah. Parvatasana, all of you, heels up and down. Asha, ये वाला ऐसे stretch करेंगे. The right palm on the right knee will just stretch the right knee outside. If the other side is difficult for you, just drop the elbow. Do the other one. Yeah. Right leg outside, heels up and down, all of you, Parvatasana. Now, right leg outside your right palm. Left knee on the cushion. Yeah. The first one will stretch the hip flexor. Hands on the waist, or raise both the hands or arms shoulder level. Anything. Arm shoulder level if you're comfortable, or both the hands are not comfortable, hands on the waist. Stay there. Stay 6, maintain. Stay 5. Only first round will stretch the hip flexor. 4, 3, hips more down, Ruchi. Stay 2 and 1. Drop both the palm. Right palm se push the right knee outside. Raise the inner feet up. Raise the inner feet up. Nicely raise the inner feet up. Stay there. Hold down. Hips down, left hip down. Stay 6, maintain. Stay 5, left palm on the mat, Ashima. 4, palms ke saath, yeah. Comfortable, your right elbow also straight. 4, 3, maintain. Stay 2 and 1. Come center. Drop both the elbows there. Yeah. Bhushan, can you show the left hand shoulder level? All of you just check the left hand shoulder level. This is your first option. You all will try this. At least this one. First option is this. Second option, left hand up in the air. left hand up in the air. Not comfortable, at least stretch the left hand shoulder level. Stay there. Stay. 6, hips more down. This one, Ashima, come. 5, no, Ritika, knee pad लगाना है आप, knee पे आएगा. No, not without the knee cushion. 4, you have to use it. Stay. 3, you have to protect the knee. Stay. 2, उतना ही रुको. हाँ रितिका, maintain. And 1, come, center change. पर्वतासन. Always use knee को protect करना ही है, because over हो जाता है. It's very sensitive joint. ठीक है, नो स्टंट. फिर अगले दिन नी पेन होगा, then there will be no practice only. लेफ्ट लेग आउटसाइड योर लेफ्ट पाम. डबल करो, ज्यादा यूज कर लो, चलेगा भाई, बिना उसके मत करना. कुशन और नी पैड के. आर्म शोल्डर लेवल और रेज बोथ दी हैंड्स अप. स्टे देयर. नाउ होल्ड. स्टे. 6, मेंटेन, हिप्स डाउन. स्टे. 5, संगीता, हिप्स मूव डाउन. 4, 3, left leg, Neelam. Stay. 2, hips more down, Harsha. And 1, drop both the palm. With the left palm, push the left knee outside, look back. You keep the right palm edge of the mat, right edge of the mat, right mat edge pe rakhna. Stay. 6, yeah, look back, hips down. 5, is it comfortable, Asha? 4, come. 3, raise the inner feet up, nice, Ruchi. Stay. 2, and 1, drop the elbow. You have to keep pressing the big toe on the mat. Left big toe को उठाना नहीं है. Drop first both the elbow. Right hand को stretch करो shoulder level. First option. Ritika, left foot थोड़ा सा आगे लेना और right hand up in the air. Hold now. Nice. Stay. 6, maintain. Stay. 5, maintain. Stay. 4, nice. Hips more down, Ashima. 4, 3. Straight shoe. And 1, come, center change. Again, Parvatasana, heels up and down, heels nicely up and down. Again, right leg outside your right palm. Yeah. Now, just drop both the palm. With the right palm, push the right knee outside. We'll directly move towards the inner thigh wala stretching. Right palm se push the right knee outside. Stay there. Look back, all of you. Stay there. Stay. Hips more down. Stay. 6, raise the inner feet up. Stay. 5, 4, hip down cushion. 3, stay. 2, and 1. Drop both the elbows. Yeah, drop both the elbows. Left hand ko stretch karo, shoulder level. Stay there now. Hold. Or left hand up in the air. Sorry, left hand. Second option is left hand up in the air. Stay there. Stay. 6, maintain, hips down. Stay. 5, 4, stretch. Those who are stretching the arm shoulder level, stretch it nicely. Walk with your fingertips. 6, 5, 4, 3, stay. 2, and 1. Come, center change. Other side, Parvatasana, heels nicely up and down. Left leg outside your left palm. Right knee on the cushion. Yeah. With the left palm, push the left knee outside, raise the inner feet up. Keep the right palm, right edge of the mat. Yeah, stay there. Look back towards the back heel. Stay there. Stay. 6, maintain. Stay. 5, 4, raise the inner feet more up, Ritika. 4, 3, nice, Anna. Stay. 2, and 1. Come, center, relax. Drop both the elbows. Right hand stretch right side or right hand up in the air. Stay there. Left foot forward, Pallavi. Left foot forward. Keep pressing the left toe on the mat, all of you. Don't raise the left toe. Stay there. Stay. 6, maintain. Stay. 5. Stay. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Parvatasana. Heels up and down. Again, you have to use the cushion. Hip up and back. I'll show once. Then you have to take the hip up and back. Nicely up and back. So, knee on the knee pad only. So, drop both the elbows. Right foot is on the right edge. With the left hand, hold the right ankle. Take the hip up and back like this. From here, you have to just tuck the toe, take the hips back. Right hand under the right thigh, comfortable, then left, drop the forehead. Keep pushing the hips back, keep pushing the hips back. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आएगा, ये वाला स्ट्रेच यहाँ आता है. ठीक, चल. You fix the cushion. Yeah. Right leg outside your right palm. Left knee on the cushion. Come, Ruchi. फर्स्ट होल्ड एंकल करके करो, वो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है. ओनली कंफर्टेबल हो तब स्ट्रेच करना राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड. नहीं हो तो कोई बात नहीं. राइट हैंड से राइट सॉरी लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट एंकल को पकड़ा, टक द टो, टेक द हिप्स बैक, देन राइट हैंड अंडर द राइट थाई. कंफर्टेबल हो तो टेक द लेफ्ट हैंड ऑल्सो लेफ्ट साइड. हेड, यू विल ट्राई टू टच द हेड, forehead or the chin. Only if you have got a very good hip opening, you can try touch the chin also. Nice, Neelam. Tuck the toes to take the push the hips back side. और आशिमा नहीं हुआ है, hips पीछे नहीं हुआ है. Tuck the toe, check the screen, hips को पीछे लेना है without changing your front leg position. Front leg fix है, right foot is fixed. You have to just take the hips back. Stay 10, maintain. Hips more back. आशिमा, हाँ, अब वहां से push करो पीछे. 9 आ रहा है ना, just give me thumbs up. 8, हाँ वहीं पे आएगा जहाँ क्रैम्प, हाँ वो क्रैम्प जैसा लगता है. 8, 7, मेंटेन देयर. जस्ट होल्ड आशिमा, सेकंड राउंड यू विल नॉट फील. 7, 6, इवन आई फील द क्रैम्प राइट साइड. 5, हिप्स मोर बैक, रितिका नहीं हुआ है. 4, हिप्स पीछे लीजिए और आप. 3, स्ट्रेट शू, एंड 1, कम सेंटर पर्वतासन. रितिका लेफ्ट हैंड लेफ्ट साइड है, लेफ्ट हैंड लेफ्ट साइड है, नॉट राइट साइड. चेंज अल्टरनेट. Change now. Yeah. Left leg outside your left palm. Right knee on the cushion. Right hand से left ankle को पकड़ो. Tuck the toes, take the hips back. Now only if you are comfortable, walk the right hand also right side, and left hand under the left thigh है. You are walking it under the left thigh. Stay there. Don't change the front leg position. Your front leg is fixed now. Nice, Ashima. अभी better है. Stay. 10. Nice, Malini. 9. Nice, Bhushan. 8, those who are comfortable, touch the forehead. Very nice, Bhushan. 7, hips more back, Madhusmita. 6, 5, 4, नहीं hips गया है पीछे, और पीछे लीजिए मधुस्मिता. 4, 3, nice, Harsha. Straight shoe, and 1, Parvatasan, heels up and down. Madhusmita, what is happening? Your front leg is sliding forward. It is fixed, 90 पे fixed है. Change the side, all of you. Same practice. Right leg outside your right palm. Left knee on the cushion. उतना ही मधुस्मिता, उससे आगे मत लेके जाओ. उतना ही है, वही फिक्स है, वो फिक्स है. अभी टक द टो किया ना. लेफ्ट हैंड से होल्ड द राइट एंकल, ऑल ऑफ यू. लेफ्ट हैंड होल्ड द राइट एंकल, राइट हैंड अंडर द राइट थाई. या टेक द हिप्स बैक. हाँ अब ठीक है मधुस्मिता, अब कंफर्टेबल हो तो लेफ्ट हैंड को शोल्डर लेवल स्ट्रेच करो, अदरवाइज यू कैन स्टे देयर. स्टे. 10, हिप्स मोर बैक, ऑल ऑफ यू. 9, रितिका हिप्स पीछे पुश करो अभी, सॉरी. 8, या मच बेटर ना. और हिप्स पीछे. 7, nice, Ruchi. 6, 5, Asha, slightly right foot back side. 4, nice, Neelam. 3, straight shoe, and 1, come center, relax, change the side. Same practice. Left leg, left leg, yeah. Left leg outside your left palm. Right knee on the cushion. Yeah. Right hand से left ankle को पकड़ो, tuck the toe, take the hip up and back. Left hand under the left thigh. If you are comfortable, open the right hand also, shoulder level. Stay there. Stay. 10, hips more back, Ritika. 9, आप टक द टो करो ना पीछे वाले इसको. 8, हाँ टक करो इसको. 8, नी को मत उठाना, सिर्फ टक द टो एंड पुश द हिप्स. यस. 7, 6, 5, मधुस्मिता हिप्स मोर बैक. 4, 3, 2, and 1, come center, relax, Parvatasan, heels nicely up and down. Pigeon 90 degree. Okay, pigeon 90 degree, internal rotation of your back knee. If you are not comfortable, then just try to fix, all of you. Okay, try to fix. Dropping both the knee right side, you have to do the internal rotation of the back knee. अगर इसमें फिक्स करना है एल्बो को, इसमें नहीं हो रहा कोई बात नहीं, फिर 90-90 पे ही करो आप, 90-90 पे करो, ठीक है. बट दोज हु आर कंफर्टेबल, इट्स डिफिकल्ट इसमें ना, नहीं हो रहा कोई बात नहीं, जस्ट 90-90 में ट्राई टू फिक्स. बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा है, देन यू हैव टू ये वाला करा, एटलीस्ट इंटरनल रोटेशन एंड देन बेंड फॉरवर्ड हियर. ठीक है, चल. Pigeon. You can enter from 90-90 or directly if you have a good this thing. Yeah. Try to fix the right elbow in front of the right foot. Internal rotation of your back knee. उतना ही रुको रितिका, उसमें ही bend forward करो. That will help. You have got a hip stiff. हाँ, उसमें bend forward करो. अच्छा है, just bend forward करो. हाँ, आ रहा है ना, मुझे बताओ. Right hip पे thumbs up दो आप. Yes. Straight. Maintain. Stay. 10, 9. Very nice, Harsha. Shift the body weight towards the left thigh, Sangeeta. पूरा राइट पे आपका. 8, shift more towards the left. 7, tuck the toe and shift the body weight towards the left. 6, 5, more shift Sangeeta. 4, 3, straight shoe, and 1. Come center, change other side. Left leg. Comfortable internal rotation of your back leg. Right knee facing the mat. Internal rotation of your knee. नहीं हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं, 90-90 में एल्बो को फिक्स करो फुट के आगे. स्टे देयर. स्टे. नाइस नीलम, अच्छा राज, वेरी नाइस. स्टे. 10, नाइस रितिका. 9, 8, 7. सिंगल लेग अप एंड डाउन करो आशा, जस्ट सिंगल लेग अप, दोनों हाथ आगे लेके. 4, remove the block, just up and down. हाँ, 4, 3, that one. Straight shoe, and 1. Come center, relax. Parvatasana, heels nicely up and down, heels nicely up and down. Yeah. Parvatasana, heels up and down. Janu Shirsasana करेंगे. And Parivrit Janu Shirsasana. Face the camera, all of you. So from butterfly, you can open or you can take slightly knee inside. Okay. Either from the butterfly, so your hip is also open. But agar if you're not comfortable, face the left knee towards the camera, the bent knee towards the camera. That's fine. That is classic pose, Janu Shirsasana. If you take from opening it from the butterfly, thoda sa usme hip involve ho jayega, like Anu is doing. Or that what Anu is doing, okay, just check. Okay, that is your hip is also open in this. This is also fine. Or what, टेक द नी फॉरवर्ड आशा. अभी आपने जो किया था, नी आगे लेना कैमरा की तरफ, नी कैमरा की तरफ आशा. या दिस इज ऑल्सो फाइन. दिस इज क्लासिक पोज जानुषी. सो नाउ चूज, यू कैन आइदर टेक लाइक दिस और व्हाट अनु इज डूइंग. ठीक है, चल. सो फॉरवर्ड बेंड है, देन द साइड बेंड. Arms up, breathe in. Both the hands up, breathe in. Now breathe out. Bend forward towards the right foot. Yeah, bend forward towards the right foot. Tilt the pelvic and bend forward. Stay there. So see, if you are doing it from the butterfly, so slightly the hip is involved, the knee might raise up. So you have to keep pressing the knee on the mat. Stay there. Stay. 10. Nice, Bhushan. Try to touch the forehead or the chin. Bend forward, Ruchi. Bhushan, knee on the mat. Press the knee on the mat. 9. Yeah, nice, Asha. 8. Very nice, Neelam. Chin ko lagane ki koshish. 7. Nice, Malini. 7. 6. Nice, very nice, Nidhi. 5. 4. 3. straight shoe and one, come center, relax. वहीं से side bending करेंगे, right palm on the left knee or right hand forward, left hand up, side bending towards the right side. Parivritta Janu Shirsasana, stay there. Very nice. Very nice, Ahana. Keep lifting the left shoulder more up. Stay there. Stay. 10. Left, keep lifting the left upper chest more, Mali. 9. Lift the left upper chest more, Bhushan. 8. 7. Nice, Ashima. 6. 5. 4. Elbow more straight, Harsha. 4. 3. Very nice, Nidhi. Bend the elbow more, elbow, take the elbow more back. 3. 2. बहुत बढ़िया है. And 1. Come center, relax. Change the side. वहीं से open करो और you can take the knee forward, facing the forward, right knee facing forward or right knee facing shoulder level. It's shoulder level. Change. Arms up, breathe in. सबका right left अलग हुआ है. So फिर जब when we do the side bending, सारा instruction change हो जाता है. Both hands up, breathe in, breathe out. Left side, all of you. Ritika, for you, it's right side. Even for Nidhi, it's right side. Stay. 10. Bhushan, try to touch the chin. Try to touch the chin, Anu. अच्छा आया आज. 9. बढ़िया आया है सबका. Very nice. 8. Nice, Pallavi. Nice, Malini. Too good. 7. बहुत बढ़िया है Pallavi. 6. Very nice, Nidhi. Stay. 5. Right shoulder forward, Ruchi. Nice, Asha. Stay. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. Beautiful, all of you. And 1. Come center. Now, left palm, right knee. Ritika, आपके लिए right palm, left knee, left hand up. Even for Nidhi. Rest all, left palm, right knee. Side bending towards the left side है. Stay there. Lift the right upper chest, all of you. Stay there. Right upper chest. Stay there. Ahana, lift the right upper chest more. Stay. 10. Nice, Neelam. 9. Left hand को आगे लीजिए आप मधुस्मिता. Walk the left hand forward. 8. More forward. Take the left shoulder forward. 7. Very nice, Malini. Left, right shoulder. बहुत बढ़िया है आज. Very nice. 8. Nice, Nidhi. 7. Keep lifting the right upper chest. Nice, Anu. 7. 6. Bhushan, right upper chest more lift. 5. 4. 3. Straight shoe. And 1. Come center. Relax. Shake the hand. Shake the leg. Both the legs straight. Last. Paschimottanasana. Yeah. Paschimottanasana. Forward bend hai. Those who are comfortable, if you have a very good back bending, slightly bend the knee and hold the wrist like this. Then leg straight. Okay, you can do if you have a... Okay, so both the legs straight, slightly bend the knee, fix, hold the wrist. Then from here, leg straight. Okay, then go. नहीं हो रहा है, see, you have to hold the big toe with the middle and the index finger. Close the thumb on यहाँ पे, आपका toes पे, big toe पे, okay? Then take the elbow down, then head. Okay? ये वाला classic है, holding like this. And then you are big toe को यहाँ पे लगा रहे हो, fix. ठीक है? Oh, sorry, thumb को big toe पे ऐसे fix कर रहे हो. चल, choose now. Both the hands up. Go. Breathe out and go. Stay there. Yeah. सांसों को महसूस करो. फास्ट चल रही है, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स्ड. It depends upon your muscle flexibility. Stay. 10. Nice. 9. Hold the wrist or hold the big toe. 8. नहीं हो रहा है, जहां पे हाथ पहुंचता है वहां पे. 7. Keep pressing the calf muscle, the hamstring on the mat. 8, 7, 6. The heel on the mat. 5. Hamstring को भी press करो, knees को press करो, calf muscle को press करो, heel को press करो. 5, 4. Maintain. Stay. 3. Maintain. Stay. 2. And 1. Come center. Relax. We'll give the counter pose. Either you can bend the knee. If you can't lift, Ashima, you will avoid. Yeah, bend the knee or leg straight, palms face, finger pointing towards the hips. You have to touch the big toe. Yeah, finger pointing towards the hips. Lift the hips up, stay there. You can bend the knee, bring the foot forward, or leg straight. Okay, this is leg straight, what Malini is doing. This is bending the knees, what Ahana is doing. Just stay there. Counter poses, stay. 10, maintain. 9, keep pressing the big toe. Hips more up, Ritika. 7, Bhushan, hips up, hips up. 6, more up, Bhushan. 5, more lift, Bhushan. नहीं हुआ है hips up. और hips ऊपर उठाओ. 4, bend the knee, Bhushan, otherwise. 4, 3, straight shoe. And 1, come center, relax. Yeah, shake the hand, shake the leg. Relax in Shishu Asana for a few seconds. Shishu Asana, we have to do elbow plank, all of you. Elbow plank करना ही है. चलो. Shishu Asana, Harsha. Relax करो, we have to hold elbow plank. So Ashima, for you, you'll hold, okay, 90 degree, lift the head up, arms up, 90, 20, hold, but hold, you have to hold, okay, then change. Come all of you, elbow plank, minus measurement, hunch nicely, hunch karna hai, bilkul, nicely hunch it, yeah. Stretch the legs backside and your time starts now. Tuck the tailbone in, all of you, stay there. So Ashima, you hold, I'll tell you, then you change. Raise the arms up, head up if you're comfortable, Ashima. Shoulder up, if you're comfortable, otherwise it's okay, stay. Nice, very nice, Madhusmita. Nice, Ruchi. आशा थोड़ा सा टेलबोन को नीचे की तरफ करिए, हल्का सा टेलबोन को और नीचे हल्का सा, थोड़ा पैर पीछे लीजिए आप. हाँ, पैर पीछे लीजिए और अब टेलबोन को नीचे मैट की तरफ फेस करिए. हाँ, बस, एक्सीलेंट, स्टे देयर. होल्ड होल्ड ऑल ऑफ यू, स्टे. हाँ, चेंज द साइड. सॉरी आशिम, आई फॉरगॉट. स्टे. Stay, Hannah. Maintain, all of you. Stay. 10, maintain. Ashima, change. 9. Stay, Hannah. 8, excellent, all of you. 7. 6, hold, Ashima, don't give up. 6. 5. Ashima, change. 4. Anna, hold. Stay. 3. Stay 2. And 1. Slowly come center, relax. Makarasana, relax completely. Bend your knees. Nice, all of you. You can bend one knee, Makarasana. Watch your breath. So always watch your breath. So even it's heavy, fast, it will come down immediately. The moment you start watching the breath का जो पेस है वो नॉर्मल हो जाता है, शांत हो जाता है. We'll do the last one, hamstring strengthening, then we'll do the finishing stretching. Hamstring वाला करेंगे strengthening. सेतु बंधासन में. चलो, come on your back. Last one, all of you, will do one strengthening for hamstring. Yeah. So your heels forward, toes up. Yeah. Heels forward, toes up. Bhushan on the back. On the back. Yeah. Toes up, all of you. Heels forward. Slightly forward like this, toes up. Now lift the hips up and stay there. All together. Ashima, your heels forward, toes up. और आगे लो, हाँ, up, toes up. Lift up all of you, stay there. Madhusmita, if you are comfortable, slightly slide the heels from there. Hips more up, Bhushan. Hips up, Harsha. Nice. Maintain. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, straight 2, and 1. Come, center, relax. Hug your knees and stay there. Hug your knees, stay there. Stay 6, stay 5, stay 4, 3, stay 2, and 1. Relax. Both the legs straight, right foot on your left knee. Twisting all of you. Bring the right leg towards the left side. Press it with your palms. Stay there now. Hold. Maintain. Stay. 10, 9, 8. Right shoulder down. Ruchi, take the left knee more down. Right knee more down. Sorry. 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep pressing the right knee on the mat. Right hand shoulder level, Ritika. 6, 5, 4. Stay 3. Stay 2. And 1. Come center. Relax. Change other side. Yeah. Left foot on the right knee. Bring the left leg towards the right side. Press it with your palms. Stay there now. Hold now. Stay. 10. Keep pressing the knee on the mat. 9. Try to take the knee more on the mat, Ashima. 8. Knee more on the mat, Pallavi. 7. Very nice, Nidhi. 6. Nice, Mani. With the right palm से right knee को पकड़ो हर्षा. 6, 5, 4. Left hand shoulder level, भूषण. बहुत उठ रहा है. Shoulder को press करो नीचे. 4. Stay 3. Nice, Nidhi. Stay 2. And 1. Come center. Relax. Chalo. Drop your legs to Shavasana. Palm facing up. Yeah, शरीर को पूरा ढीला छोड़ दो. Relax your neck, relax your shoulder, completely chin down. Palm facing up. If you wear specs, take it out. बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ना है, like a dead man. Palm facing up, Shavasana. Gently close your eyes. And now slowly start hearing all the sounds surrounding you. आसपास की आवाजों को सुनना है. The near one, the far one, the not so soothing one, the soothing one. And now concentrate and hear one sound which is soothing to your ear. Hear one sound which is soothing to your ear. Don't get disturbed by the other sound. Just hear one sound which is soothing to your ear. Take a deep breath in. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेके शरीर को पूरा ढीला छोड़ दो. Again, one more breath in. And breathe out. शरीर को पूरा ढीला छोड़ दो. नाभि के पास अपने ध्यान को लेके जाना, नाभि पे ब्रेथ का मूवमेंट है, द राइज एंड फॉल ऑफ योर ब्रेथ. Your belly will move up and it will sink down. So you're observing the movement of your breath, the rise and fall of your breath in your navel region. Feel the pace of your breath also. नाभि पे breath fast चल रही है या बिल्कुल slow and relaxed है. Even if it is fast, observe it like that. If it is slow and relaxed, observe it like that. No manipulation with your breath. You're observing the natural movement of your breath. No deep inhale and exhale. Breath के pace को feel करो. Even if it is fast, the moment you start observing the breath, it will slow down. So many thoughts will be coming. So let the thoughts pass by. Your awareness completely on the breath. Don't run behind the thoughts. Let them pass by. Stay connected with the natural flow of your breath in your navel region. Feel it, relax with it. And relax. Now bring your awareness to your nostril, to the entrance of your nostril. अपनी बंद आंखों से पहले अपने nostril को observe करो, the entrance of the nostril. Now through the entrance of your nostril, observe your breath entering and leaving the nostril. No body movement. You have to observe the breath through the nostril only now. Again, observe the pace of the breath. छोटी छोटी सांसें हैं या लंबी गहरी सांसें. Again, no manipulation with the breath. Breath जैसे है उसको वैसे ही महसूस करो. Thoughts will come again. So many thoughts will be there. Just stay connected with your breath. So your only conscious effort is every time a thought comes, shift your awareness back to the breath. Let the thoughts pass by. After the breathe out, there is a gap, there is a pause. सांस रुकी हुई है, naturally रुकी हुई है बाहर. Observe that gap. Feel the duration of the gap, whether it is long or short. And then follow the next breath in. So even the gap duration may be shorter or longer. It depends upon your breath, pace of the breath. जितना ज़्यादा ध्यान breath पे होगा, thoughts उतने ही कम होंगे, and your breath will become calmer and deeper. Stay with your breath. Don't get disturbed and distracted by the sounds around you and get tempted and open your eyes. Very important, don't get lost in your thoughts. आती जाती हर एक सांस को बस महसूस करना है. जहां सांस रुकी है रुको उसके साथ. And then follow the next breath in. सांसों के साथ जुड़े रहना. Thoughts जैसे ही आएंगे, bring your awareness back to the breath. Don't get disturbed by the thoughts also. Let them come and let them pass by. And now feel your breath getting calmer and deeper just by observing and being with your breath. Feel your breath getting calmer and deeper. and relax. Now bring your awareness to the way you are lying down. अपनी बंद आंखों से देखो अपने आप को. From toe to head, observe yourself. And back from head to toe, observe yourself. Completely light and relaxed. Feel that lightness in your body. Now, keeping the awareness to the way you are lying down, we'll chant all the three akaras. Breathe in. Relax. Feel the vibration. Feel your body completely light and relaxed. Slowly give movement to your toes. Give movement to your fingers. Slowly keep your right hand back side. Turn to your right side. Stay there for a few seconds. And very slowly and gently come and sit in any meditative pose. Yeah. Adopt any meditative pose. Spine straight. Facial muscle completely relaxed. Smile on your face. Take a deep breath in. Relax now. Gently bend forward and take the blessings of Mother Earth, your parents, and your Guru. Take the blessings, feel the blessings. Slowly come back, rub your palm, feel the heat, feel the energy. And once you feel the heat, first give it to your eyes, your face, your throat, massage it, go back, give it to neck, shoulder, your arms, chest, abdomen, go back, give it to your spine, hips, thighs, knees, legs, ankle, and your toes. Slowly and gently, with a blink and a smile, open your eyes. Thank you. So, see you all tomorrow. Chalo, have a nice day, all of you.